In this video we will see about Python comparison operator. The comparison operator are also called as relational operator. These operators are used to compare the values and return true or false based on the condition. So comparison operators are, it's available on the screen. So equal to, greater than operator, less than operator, greater than or equal to operator, less than or equal to operator, not equal to operator are available. So we will see in Jupyter Notebook what are the usages of these operators. So the first one is equal to operator. Equal to the operator is denoted by double equal to, checks the value of the operator on the left side is equal to 1 on the right side. This equals to operator returns true if the value of the operators on the both sides are equal, else it will return false. So let us take one example. For example, I am creating a variable x that stores a value 10 and y contains a value 90. So I am checking my both the variable consist of same value or not using equal to operator, that is double equal to denotes equal to operator. When I try to execute it, it's giving me false because x is storing the value 10 and y is storing the value 90. So since both the variable are containing different values, it is giving me the output false. And the next one is greater than operator. The greater than operator is denoted by greater than symbol, checks the value of operator on the left side is greater than that on the right side. So let me give one example. I am creating the variable 70 and y is equal to 10. So I am going to check my both the variable using greater than operator. So when I try to execute, it is giving the value true. Why? Because y consists of the value 70. 70 is greater than 10. So it is giving me the Boolean output true. Okay. So the next one is less than operator. The less than operator is denoted by less than symbol, checks the value of operator on the left side is less than that on the right side. We will see with one example. So same example I will take and I am using less than operator here. When I execute it, it gives the output false because 70 less than 10, no, it is not, 70 is not less than 10, so it is giving me the output false. Okay, so the next one is greater than or equal to operator. The greater than or equal to operator is denoted by greater than symbol and equal to, returns true if and only if the value of the operator on the left side is either greater than or equal to that on the right side. Okay, so let us take one example. M is equal to 100, n is equal to 200. I am going to check my both the variables whether it is greater than or equal to using the greater than or equal to operator with two variable names. When I try to execute it, it is giving me false. Why? My m value here is 100. 100 is not greater than or equal to 200, so it is giving me the value output Boolean output false. If I take 900 here, 900, if I try to execute, then it is giving me the output true. Why? Because 900 is greater than 200. If I change 200 into 900, if I try to execute it, it's giving me the output true. Why? Because 900 is equal to, both the values are consist of 900, so both the values are equal. Either greater than, if the number is greater than, it will give the output true, and if both the variables consist of same values, it will give the value true. And the next one is less than or equal to. The less than or equal to operator, which is denoted by less than or equal to symbol, returns true only if and only if the value of the operator on the left side is either less than or equal to that on the right side. Okay, so similar like a greater than or equal to operator. So let us just use the same example, and let me try with less than or equal to operator. So it's giving me again true. Why? Because 900 is equal to 900, so it is giving me the output true. If I change any one, see what happens. If I change m value as 10, what happens here is true, because 900 is less than 1000, so it is giving me the output true. Okay, so the next one is not equal to operator. Not equal to operator is denoted by exclamatory equal to, works exactly opposite to that of equal to operator. This operator returns true if the value of the operator on both the sides are unequal, or else it will return the value false. So let us check with one example now. For example, my R value is 99 and S value is 100. I'm going to check by using the not equal to operator whether both the variables are equal to or not equals. When I try to execute this command, what happens? Since both my R and S values are not equal, it's returning me the output true. So let me use the same command here, and I'm going to change into 99. Both of my variables now contains the same value, that is 99. In that case, if I run the command, it is giving me the false output, because both of my variables consist of same variable, same value, so it is giving me the output false. So that's all about the comparison operators in Python. I hope it's very simple and very easy to understand also, and I hope you gathered lot of information about Python operators, about different operators in our different videos. Thank you for watching this.